Deep within the emerald jungle, a small boy named Leo wandered all alone. The forest was vast and dense, with towering trees blocking the sky. Sunlight filtered through the leaves, casting soft, dancing shadows on the path. Leo felt a shiver run down his spine as he looked around nervously. The vibrant colors of the jungle felt overwhelming to his young eyes. He clutched his small backpack tightly, wishing he were back home safely. Suddenly, the bushes rustled loudly, making Leo freeze in his tracks. Out from the thick foliage stepped a massive, golden-maned lion. The boy gasped, his eyes widening in pure, unadulterated shock. The lion stood tall, its presence commanding and powerful. Leo trembled, his heart hammering against his chest like a trapped bird. He wanted to run, but his legs felt heavy as lead. The lion took a slow, deliberate step toward the frightened boy. Every muscle in Leo's body tensed as he braced for the worst. The predator lowered its head, sniffing the air near the boy. Time seemed to stand still in the quiet, humid jungle air. But then, the lion did something completely unexpected and strange. It let out a soft, rumbling purr instead of a terrifying roar. The lion sat down calmly, its golden eyes filled with gentle warmth. Leo watched, mesmerized, as the beast waited patiently for him. The fear in the boy's heart began to melt away slowly. He took a cautious step forward, his hand trembling slightly. The lion nudged Leo's hand with its large, velvet-soft nose. A small, tentative smile finally broke across the boy's face. The jungle no longer felt like a scary, dangerous place to be. Warm sunlight bathed them both in a golden, peaceful glow. Leo realized that the lion was not a monster after all. He reached out and stroked the lion's thick, soft mane. The lion leaned into the touch, closing its eyes in contentment. An unlikely bond had formed between the boy and the beast. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in orange hues, Leo wrapped his arms around the lion in a grateful hug. The lion purred loudly, happy to have found a new friend. They sat together, watching the beautiful sunset over the jungle canopy. It was a moment of pure magic and deep emotional connection. Together, they walked into the twilight, ready for new adventures.